Back again. Here we go. The winds are starting to pick up. I'm starting to hear the roaring. Wow. There go the trees. Here comes the gusty winds. Look at those winds. The air is going to cool off on this strong downdraft comes in. Here we go. I mean, you can see what's going on here. That lowering base. Now I'm in thunder. The trees are blowing quicker. I imagine we're going to get some strong rain here in a minute. Heavy downpour. Take a look at that. Look at those trees blowing over there really fast. Now I'm feeling cooler air. I got lightning. The first drops of rain. First drops of rain are falling. Here we go. There go my winds. Wow. It's going to be a strong gust here. Look at my trees around me. There you go. Look at that tree over there. It's blowing really good. Temperatures are feeling cooler on the downdraft of the thunderstorm. It feels nice and cool now. It's cooling off. I can tell you that. Temperature's dropping. It was 90 degrees. Now watch what happens here. We got the initial downdraft. You can see the trees blowing across the way. This cloud's real interesting right here, but there's about to be a downpour and a huge area of wind. The wind on some of the soundings at about 18,000 feet was up to 50 knots. If you get a nice strong downdraft, that'll be pushed all the way to the ground. But if you take a look at this, look at that. This cloud's real interesting right here. And then it goes to a complete downpour behind it. So you notice, look at this. That's moving in. Oh yeah, it definitely feels cooler out here. Now look at those wind, look at those trees, look at that wind. Let me zoom in over there on that. Look at that. I had a dead calm and I showed you that in the last clip with the flag. It was hardly blowing. But now, here comes the rain. It's getting heavier with that downdraft. Okay. You can see those winds. Here comes the rain. Here we go. I haven't noticed a change in wind direction yet. The winds will probably swirl around to a different direction. Looking overhead here right now. Wow. Not much lightning with this. So not much lightning with this particular storm, with this line. But you can see how the sky looks behind the leading edge of the thunderstorm line. The winds picked up. You see across the street. Now let me go a little closer. Getting closer now. Okay, I'm starting to feel a wind shift. To the, feels like more like the west. So you don't really see much in the way of anything. It is raining a little bit. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here comes the heavy rain. Starting to pick up in intensity. You can see the winds over there with the trees. Look at this. Now look at this right here. Here is the main push. We're about to experience it. Winds are picking up. The rain is getting heavier. It's getting heavier. The winds are, here comes the heavy rain. Starting to blow a little bit sideways horizontally in the strong downdraft winds. All right, I'm going to break up this video. Be back in a minute.